Creative Chrissy here, and Chloe. We're making fluffy slime this time.
I'm just in the background. Hey.
So it's a half a cup. Oh, where did I put my rest of it? Half a cup of glue. Here, you can mix.
Okay.
And half a cup of shaving cream.
That's a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah. It's gonna be so much fun.
Can I have a spoon, please? That orange
No,
the thing
you
where you got
use
the paper
this.
towels.
We could use this to scoop it out.
Okay, that'll work. There should be a spoon.
Okay. This.
Okay, it says to mix it with a spoon. Oh, it smells so shavy creamy.
Smells good. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Mix it, mix it, mix it. Half a teaspoon of borax.
It's gonna be some
Got it all mixed
really
together.
cool slime.
This
I'm
is.
excited to play with it.
This is my second time making slime, actually.
What color are you gonna do it this time?
No, actually my third time.
I don't know, where's the colors?
You should do it blue. The neon blue.
Yeah.
Blue, blue.
Okay.
Blue, blue.
Chocolate bleu.
We're gonna do the blue. Blue, 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 blue.
Alright, a half a teaspoon of borax to a cup of water.
Okay.
I need a fork or something. May the fork be with you. Now I need another one. Alright, you gotta put the coloring in now.
Fine.
3 drops of blue. That's what you did last time with the pink.
1, 2, 3. Bravo. Stir. Stir.
Okay. Oh,
That's gonna be pretty. And then you add the borax half a teaspoon at a time in water.
I'm like trying to screw this on. You just push it on.
Oh my.
You're gonna have to use your hands to mix it together.
Yeah.
Get in there. We can always put more food color in there. Hey, move the spoon.
Ready? Mix.
Might be messy, but that's fluffy.
Want one more?
Yeah, put another one in there. Fluffy slime, I don't think it's supposed to be really sticky.
Okay. Oh my god. It's so fluffy.
Do you need more? Think that's good?
Yeah, I think this is good. So this is the color of the slime so far.
It is fluffy.
Yeah, definitely. Wow.
You
Really
can smell nothing but the shaving cream.
It's fluffy. Feel it.
Oh yeah. I like fluffy slime.
We should make a different one, but a different color.
You want to do glittery, stretchy slime.
Ooh, glitter red slime.
Mommy's gonna miss all the fun.
Oh, I love this. Listen to the sound it makes.
That is very nice.
I mean, crunchy slime people make with, like, you put, like, a bunch of marbles in there.
Can I see this real quick? I need to get the slime off my hands.
You can take that home and play with your slime.
I like that slime.
Okay,
That's
so
the best one of all the slimes I've touched in my life.
we have
Oh,
to
is
get
it
the
stretchy?
plate.
Oh yeah, look at that stretchy.
Do you want to see if we can make it a bubble?
Okay, I don't know how to
Okay.
do it, so you can.
Okay, so first you want to do is like. Okay.
Excuse me.
I don't know if it's big enough, but. Oh, Yeah, I don't think the plate's big enough. Let's see how far we can stretch it.
How far you can stretch it?
Okay.
Oh, wow. That slime's definitely better.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a better recipe than the other one.
So great.
You have to put it in plastic bags so you can still play with your slime.
You want to touch it?
Let me get that.
It feels really cool.
It does.
I love the fluffy slime.
Wow. That was better than
And it
I
makes your hands smell
expected.
good.
Wait. Do you have any, like, scenting things where it's like in a little bottle and then you will scent it?
Mm-hmm. For my candles.
Maybe we could add it to the
recording.
slime.
I know we're recording.
Maybe we could add it to the slime.
Now that slime smells delish.
You might want to keep your hair away from this ball.
Yeah.
Get it out.
Okay.
So, are we done with this one?
Um.
Then we'll make a different kind. I'll look up
Yeah.
another recipe. So, that was the best one so far. I'm giving this one a thumbs up.
Yes. Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs. Awesome.
Okay, so
Please like, subscribe,
and
hit the notification bell.
that goes ding ding ding, so you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video. Bye.
Bye.
I subscribe to PewDiePie.